welcome to the first of many Vlogmas videos this year. It's that time of year again where we turn our homes into a winter wonderland, and it really is my favourite time of year. Last year I was in the trenches with a newborn and I didn't buy that many new decorations, so I'm so excited to show you everything that I've bought this year and to decorate with you. So before we get started, I think we need to put some Christmas music on, so I'm just searching for some Christmas playlists on YouTube and I'm thinking this one looks good. It says good old cosy Christmas carols. Yeah, that definitely sounds like my vibe, and it's got a really nice video in the background. So I've actually bought a new, quite extravagant Christmas tree this year from a place called Balsam Hill, and I'm so excited to see this. The tree that we had in previous years was quite small and it had white artificial snow on it, and I just really didn't like the look of it. We bought it maybe 5 years ago and I was into kind of modern looking trees, but this year I want to go as traditional and cosy as I possibly can. So I bought a green one and it's 7 foot. I have measured it, so I think it should fit, but I'm kind of panicking now, looking at how big and heavy the box is, that it may not fit, so fingers crossed that it does. Okay, the tree is up and I'm so happy with the quality, but it took me a lot longer than I thought. I was going at that for an hour and a half and I haven't even started decorating the tree yet. I just thought it was a really nice touch that the tree comes with this tree bag and also the gloves, because I think my hands would have really hurt if I was doing that for an hour and a half. So that's really handy that it comes with that. Okay, so like I said, I have bought quite a few new bits this year to decorate with. I haven't actually opened anything yet, so I thought it would be quite nice to open it with you guys. So this box is from a brand called Gisela Graham, and I have bought decorations from her before and they were really nice. The quality was amazing, so I just bought a few more bits from her this year. It is quite expensive, but the stuff's just so nice. I think it's all handmade. Try and save the bubble wrap so that I can wrap it back up and finish. Oh my god. How stunning is that? Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute. I'm so excited for that. That was for my coffee table, but I think it's going to be a little bit tall for my coffee table, so I might have to find another space for him. And then this should be the matching one to go with that, hopefully. And I'm so happy with that. Oh, I just love Christmas. Oh my goodness, these together, do not tell me that is not cute. The detail on those is just amazing. Wow, very, very happy with that purchase. And then I just bought this for the coffee table as well, because I got a little diptyque candle, where I've put it, but I've got a diptyque candle somewhere and I just thought that would be quite nice next to that on my coffee table. And then I was going to put these with it as well, but I think they're going to be a little bit tall, but we'll have to just wait and see. I then got a tree topper from Balsam Hill, which is the same place that I bought the tree from. It's supposed to be an angel and it looks beautiful in the picture. I'm hoping it's just stunning. Oh, the quality of that, oh my goodness, it's stunning. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous on the top of my tree. Wow, I've got some really nice bits this year. Very, very happy with that. No idea what this is. Cable tie for pole. So what do I do? I'll have to figure that out. Oh, oh, that's her wings. Oh, how does that attach then? Oh, she's just stunning. Supposedly handmade, and the detail in that, oh my goodness. Can't wait to get on top of my tree. So just before I get started with putting the lights on the tree, I just want to show you some of the decorations that I have bought previous years, because some of them are really, really nice. Oh yeah, candle I bought from Diptyque. It's the sapin one. So I think it's called sapin, and I think it's supposed to smell like pine tree, basically. I could smell it. It was sitting in my hallway in the box and I could smell it, so I think it's going to smell really, really nice. So just some of the decorations that I've had in previous years are just so beautiful. This little Santa Claus, little gingerbread house, Santa on his little sleigh, adorable, some little baubles. This tree is probably 3 times the size of the tree we had previous years, so I don't know if it's going to be enough decorations here. I may have to purchase a few more baubles, which I'm not mad about. A little unicorn. I think about 4 years ago we had the white snow tree, like I said, and we went for a little bit of a modern theme with, I had like these silver unicorns, and then I had some other bits like this, and I had a unicorn. But then the following year I just kind of got bored of it. Oh, that's my child up from her nap. It's taken a lot longer than I thought to do this, so I might have to come back to the decorating tomorrow. Because once she's up it might be a little bit chaotic and I may not be able to actually get anything done, so yeah, I might have to come back to this tomorrow. Okay, I'm back. My partner has taken our daughter out for a walk, so I need to try and get this done as quick as possible now. So I'm going to quickly add the lights to the tree. I could have actually bought this tree pre-lit, but I just really like how it looks when you add the lights yourself, and I always buy the warm light just because I feel like it gives a more cozy look to the tree. Okay, so that's the lights all on the tree. Like I said, I do like to add the lights myself just so it gives a kind of uneven look. I just think it looks a little bit more cozy when the lights aren't so perfect. I am going to rejig them a little bit just before I put the ornaments on. Okay, so the tree is finished and I'm very happy with how it looks. Although I do think I'm going to buy a few more decorations just because I want it to look a little bit more busy, like this Pinterest image that I found. I just thought it looked really nice. I think I need a few more traditional looking decorations. I am going to keep the less traditional decorations like these kind of ones, just because I think a bit of a mismatched look. Looks quite nice and homely, and it's got a few memories of things that we used to like, or the way that we used to decorate the tree. So I just think it's quite nice to mix it up a little bit, not really keep to a specific theme. Okay, so I think that's me pretty much done with all the decorations. Then just for the coffee table, I think this needs a little bit of work. I want to get rid of this red candle, and I've ordered a gingerbread train from a brand called Miss Alice, which I think will just look a little bit nicer because everything's a little bit one-dimensional on here at the moment. Okay, and lastly, the most exciting bit that I've been waiting for all day is to unbox my Liberty Advent Calendar. I've been so excited to unbox this, and I've been saving it in the box since October so that I could unbox it with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it unboxed. Wow. Gosh, it's heavy. Stuff. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's literally like a Christmas decoration of its own. I'm not going to open anything now. I'm going to wait until the 1st of December, and I'm going to be unboxing each day on TikTok. So if you want to see what's inside the Liberty Advent Calendar, then head over to my TikTok and I'll be unboxing it daily over there. I'm so excited for this. I've heard that there's really amazing products in here, and I haven't looked too deep into actually what's in here because I want it to be a little bit of a surprise each day when I unbox it. Like I said, I did order this back in October because last year I missed out and it was sold out by the time I went to go and order it. And I did check this morning and it is already sold out, and it's only mid-November. So I'm so happy that I ordered it when I did. I've just moved the nutcrackers to sit at the front of the tree like this, and I think it just looks really nice. It's kind of as if they're guarding the tree. And then I've put the Liberty Advent calendar at the back of the tree, and I feel like it looks like Liberty is kind of in the background, which I think is really nice. And then I can just open it every morning. Okay, so the decorations are up and I'm fully in festive mode. I really hope that you guys enjoyed decorating with me today. If you did, please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any more Christmassy content that I've got to come. Also, let me know in the comments how you're decorating your home, and I'll see you in the next one.